Hello everyone, good morning to every one of you. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching me from. This is eMotion Developers Hub. We deal on web development, app developing, and we also are passionate about people who want to learn web development and many other aspects in terms of applications and website. Okay, in this video, I'm actually going to go straight to the point. I'll be dropping our website at the end of this video. You can visit our website for more information about eMotion Developers Hub. Or if you want to raise tickets, we are a consultation site. You can raise a ticket or open a ticket. We will get back to you for whatever you need. All right. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add Google Authentication to your website. Now, I believe that most of us have seen this Google Authentication in some websites. When you try to sign up or sign in some website you come across, you will see something like sign in with Google. You come across sign in with Google in some website, and when you click on that Google's icon, it takes you to your Google username, where you put in your username and put in your password, and immediately you are signed in. So here I'm going to be teaching you how to actually do this. So I'm going to be using a software a website I built for one of my clients. All right, quickly let's start. So I'll be using a software, like I said, a website I built for male PT consultation help desk. All right, so here now this help desk is actually called HESK. HESK, that's the name of the software. You can get this HESK, you can get it from Spectaculous. Okay, you can get it from Spectaculous. HE is a consultation, is a free and open software, open source that you can download from Spectaculous, from the cPanel. You can download. When you get to cPanel, you go to Spectaculous and type HESK, and when you type HESK, you will see that you can download it. It's coded in PHP. All right, so let's run immediately because of time. Okay, now, all right, so here I'm logging to the back end of the website. So what we want to do, we want to add Google Authentication, like I said. So you can see from here, I click on the tools, and this is the OAU, that's Oauth providers. So this OAuth, there's no OAuth providers in this place. You can see no OAuth providers saved. You can add them by clicking new provider above. So here you can click it by clicking on new provider. When you click on this, you start the process of adding an OAuth provider, which is Google is our area of concentration. So before I start, the first thing, I'm going to duplicate this tab 2 times. That's 1 and another duplication 2. So I've duplicated this 3 times. So we have 2, 3. They are still the same thing. And my reason for that, I have my reason for duplicating. So I will still show you because I want everything to be transparent and you see everything and be part of this class as we proceed. All right. So from here, I'll click on new provider. Now here you are seeing the new provider. You can see new provider, name, vacant, authorization. Now I want to say this: the only thing we are looking for in Google authorization is the client ID and the secret ID. These are the 2 things that will be provided to us by Google by the time we are done building the app. When we go to the Google console and we build the Google sign-in app, it will be provided with the client ID and the client secret. Now, for the benefit of for you to enjoy this video, I'm going to be having it in series and in parts. So it's going to be, we're going to be having it in series and in parts. All right. So let's go ahead now. So this name authorization endpoint, URL token endpoint, will be given to us by HESK. So how do you get it? So I go to the next tab I opened, then I click on. You can see before using OAuth, you must register an OAuth provider. For details, please see this acknowledge base guide. All right, click on it now. It's taking me to the acknowledge base guide. All right, so here now you can see. Then I'll click on set up Gmail Oauth authorization for use with HESK. Alright, so I'm going to duplicate this one now twice because I'll be needing some information in this site. So alright, let's go now. So here, so we remember we need to provide the name, authorization endpoint, and token endpoint. I said these three things are given to us in HESK. Now it's not always like that with other websites. Like I said, the only thing we need from Google is the client ID and the client secrets. So when you are to sign in, you add Google sign up on other websites, the only thing they may provide to you, or the only thing they will give you, is a redirect URI, which is this now. When you are to sign in with other websites, this is the thing. This is what you'll be given by that provider. Will be provided to you. You understand that you'll be needing this. Very, very important. Without this, it won't work. So this is what we'll be needing. All right. So here now, we want to get this information from this here. So I scroll down to this place. You can see here, the first one, okay, Google. We'll copy this. Come here, we paste it here. Go again. We copy the authorization endpoint URL. Authorization endpoint URL. We'll come here, we'll paste it. Then we'll copy the token endpoint. That's endpoint token URL. Copy it and we paste here. Alright, so let's continue. So now we've copied these three things. So we'll proceed to getting the client ID and client secret from Google. So here, scroll down now. For you to sign or to build an app in Google, you have to be signed into the Google console, Google API console. Okay, so I click on the Google API console. So I'm going to be dropping this link at the end of this video to show you, so you will be able to have access straight. So as long as you have a Gmail account, you are entitled to have a Google to build app on Google. Like I said, this is purely for developers, the API developers. So if you are a developer, you can actually have Google sign in on any website you create, or you can I will either be a website or app. Okay, you can have it there. Alright, so from here I'm going to be creating a new project. Alright, so let me start again. So when you are signing to the Google Cloud API service, so the first you need to do, you click on here and then you click on new project. So I want to be adding new project, so we can call this new project HESK Oauth. Alright, so we click on create. Alright, I'll be coming back in our next class. I will show you how to proceed from this place. Remember, everything that I've said so far, very, very important. So in our next class, we'll start from creating our Google sign in from the Google Cloud API service.